Yo guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to make up to $1,000 or even more selling AliExpress clothes on Depop. This method is actually easy, bro. It's just fucking easy, right? Anybody can do it, right? All you gotta do is to sign up on Depop and find code. That's the first thing I'm going to do, right? So what you're going to do first is to go over to Depop, right? I'm going to open the tab. So just go over to Depop, right? So yeah, I'm going to the Depop website, right? So what you're going to do first is to search for Streetwear. Right, just click on the search bar and type in Streetwear, right? So yeah, you see here, type in Streetwear, right? So after it's open, you're just going to see different type of clothes here, right? So what I want you to do first is to go over to brand and click on and search for order, right? Click on order, right? Just click on it. All of them I'm going to show right here, right? These are actually clothes that are actually brought from AliExpress to Depop. So what you're going to do is to look for the one you actually like. So I'm going to go for this one right here, right? You're going to click on it. So after clicking on it, what you're going to do next is to go over to AliExpress, right? After going on, so I've already opened the website, right? So yeah, I'm currently at the AliExpress website, right? So what you're going to do is to go over to Depop and drag this image right here. Drag it over to the AliExpress and click on the search bar. Drag it to the search bar right here and click on it. So what you're going to do is to go into load and look for this exact clothes, right? You see what I mean? So just search for the exact clothes, right? You see what I mean? So you see, this one is actually listed for $2, but here on Depop it's actually $25. You see what I mean? So you're going to just search for more clothes just like this, alright? So what I mean, right? So all you gotta do first is to click on this one and add it to your cart, right? Just click on this one. Click on the wrong one. And so click on the $2 one and add it to your cart, right? So yeah, this is what you're going to do, just to add it to your cart, right? So so you won't miss out this $2. Just add it to your cart, so it should be there, alright? So what you're going to do next is to look for this product right here, right? You're going to go over here and look for this product, right? I'm going to click on it. What you're going to do next is to save up this image, right? Save these images, right? Click the next one. So this one is saved. Just gonna click on download. So yeah, I've already downloaded some few alright. So yeah, what you have to do is to download the image. Click on this one as well. Save image. So yeah, save it. The most important thing I want you to do is to edit these images you just download. So what I'm going to do is to go over to Canva. Click on Canva, alright. Canva and search for it, alright. So I'm going to Canva. What you're going to do first is to go over to Adobe Express, right? This one right here, this Adobe Express right here. So what you're going to do is to click on remove background. After clicking on remove background, go over to the stuff you just download, right? So what you're going to do is to just click on the image and drag it over here. So we should remove the background, right? And if I not supported, right? So let's click this one. Perfect. So if this one doesn't work, what you're going to do is to go over to photo, alright? Go over to photo search for photo, right? This website, right? This one can actually it's actually easy. It's even easy more than using the Canva and Adobe Express, right? What you're going to do is to go over to this photo, and you see this place. You said select photos. Here's what you're going to do is to click on select photos. Click on select photos. You're going to look at how you see the products I just put, right? So all the pictures I'm showing you. So I'm going to do is to go over here. You see these are all the pictures, right? So this drag this one, drop it there, right? this file says it's not supporting this file. I don't know what the fuck is going on. So what you're going to do is just all you need to do is to remove the background, right, and reedit it, change the background and put a new thing right in there, so it should look professional. So they won't dictate that you are actually taking this picture. So otherwise, I can pasting it there, right? You have to make it professional so that other people should buy it. So this method is actually easy, and that's what I'm going to do to make up to $1,000 a month, right? So to make it easier for you, so you should understand it better, is to go over to this thing right here. I've already put down every single thing you need to know, right? I already wrote down this single thing. So this file right here, I'm going to put the link on the description, right? So you should download it and see everything, every details, everything you need to know about it right here. Right? So it's actually easy, bro. You can actually do this anywhere, but it's actually easy. So yeah, that's how you're going to make. I'm going to make up to $1,000 selling AliExpress loads on Depop. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, alright?